अबे दांत क्यों फाड़ रही है बे? पोस्टपोन हो गई तेरी शादी, अब रो बैठ के।
लुट गई मैं, बर्बाद हो गई मैं इस कोविड-19 के चक्कर में। चाइना वालों मतलब वैसे ही इतना बिजनेस करके इंडिया में तो लूट ही रहे थे, फिर ये वायरस भेजने की तुमको क्या ज़रूरत थी? हाँ, ट्रेडमिल भी नहीं था, जिम भी नहीं था, फिर भी मैंने रात रात में खाना ना खा के अपना वेट लूज़ किया था, सिर्फ मेरे शादी के लिए। पिछले साल जब दोस्त लोग अपना अपना स्टेटस अपलोड कर रहे थे, कैसे हम लोग अपने आप को कंट्रोल करके रखे थे कि एक साल, बस एक साल चला जाए, फिर नेक्स्ट साल तो अपनी बारी है ही। पता है, बचपन से सपना देख रही हूँ शादी करने का, बस आंसू आंसू ही नहीं निकल रहे हैं, बस मैं बहुत दुखी हूँ। क्या करूँ मैं अब इन सपनों का? फिर से एक साल वेट करना पड़ेगा। मर गई तो इतने समय में, हे भगवान, बिना शादी किए मर जाऊंगी। Hi guys, this is Swati here and welcome to my new segment called the skincare segment. So guys, a few days before on my social media platforms, I started asking you guys what kind of videos you want to see me doing next, and most of you guys have replied that you want to see a skincare video. So if you are a person whose marriage just got postponed, or if you are a bride to be, or you are just a person who loves to pamper your skin, this is the perfect video for you guys. So let's get started. So today we are going to talk about the top 6 skincare products that everyone should have. So let's start with the first product. So the first product I have here is the bio oil. Can you see? Okay guys, so like I can't talk enough about this product, and there is a reason why this product is on top of the list. So guys, if you are only taking care of your face when you are talking about skincare, that is absolutely not enough, because when we talk about the skincare, we talk about the complete body care. So if you are a bride to be, I would say this is a must have product. Start using this product as soon as possible. I will tell you what this product does to your skin now. So what it did to my skin is I started seeing the possible difference in my skin discoloration. I started seeing the ingrown hairs getting removed or completely gone. It also talks about the stretch marks, and I'm not sure about the stretch marks because I don't have stretch marks, but I could see the recent scars which I was getting, like the burn marks or the small scars, scratch scars which we see. Once I used to actually, the scar used to heal, what I used to do is I used to apply this bio oil on my skin. It does not let your skin dry out, it always keep your skin moisturized. Apart from that, guys, if you have got very bad sunburn going to any beach or something, you can just come back and start applying this oil, and within 15 days to 1 month it will be completely gone, and the skin discoloration, actually it does magic to that. So I would give like 10 on 10 on this product. So this is the reason this is first on my list. So if you cannot do anything for your skin, just buy this product and you are good to go. So every bride, if you want a perfect skin on your body, before doing any other thing on your skin, please start using this product and you will see a possible difference, and you will start loving your skin. So if you have an early mark, I would suggest once the scar heals, start using this oil as soon as possible, and start using it at least twice a day if you want to remove any scar. And if you just want to hydrate your skin, you can just apply it after your shower, as I said, if you're not going outside, or you can use it at night before going to bed. You just need to take 1 drop of it like this, and I will show you how it absorbs into your skin. So if you can see, this is the oil, and So guys, can you see how amazingly it penetrated into the skin? It is just giving you that nice touch of glow, but there is no heaviness on your skin. So this is a product I can swear by, and I am telling you, this is my 12th or 14th bottle now. This is 60 ml bottle and the price of it is 450 bucks, but you get it in discount nowadays in Nykaa. So I got this about 380 rupees in Nykaa. I will leave the complete link on the description. You guys can go and check that out. And before I move forward to the next product, let me tell you guys, this video is not sponsored by any of the products which I am showing you today. It is completely based on the experience I have on the products. I am giving you the review. So let us move to our next product. Second product which I have, which I want to show you guys, is this AHA Glow face wash. So guys, if you have a oily to combination skin, I won't completely recommend this for a dry skin, because I'm not sure how is it going to work for a dry skin. But if you have an oily to a combination skin, this is a bliss, guys. So I recently found this product, I think nearly 1 year ago, and since then I haven't used any other face wash apart from this. What it does is, it does not lather much. It removes your dirt and cleans your face very gently. And apart from that, you will get this small particles, if you can see. Okay, these small particles inside this face wash. What you need to do is, you can just like burst these particles on your pimple mark or on your acne, and while washing off your face, so that actually cleanses that area very, very finely, and within like a week you can see your pimples like completely gone, or sometimes it reduced to a point that it leaves no marks, and you will surprisingly stop getting, or you will get very less acne or pimples once you start using this product. There is an alternative to this product. I was using Jovi's tea tree oil face wash for a longest time, like since I was in college days. I used that product nearly 7 years, and that was also an absolute favorite product of mine. But once I started using this, that was 90 on 100, and this is 100 on 100. So I am completely sure you are going to love this product if you have an acne and pimple prone skin. And start using this product followed by a moisturizer, and it is going to do wonders on your face. This is a 100-gram product, cost nearly 358 rupees. And alternative, as I said, if you don't want to spend so much, you can go for the tea tree oil face wash from Jovi's, and it costs around 145 rupees. It is sometimes very difficult to get it in Nykaa, Myntra. Sometimes you get it in Amazon. I mostly get it in any drugstore. If you are able to find any drugstore, then you can get it from there. Online also you will get it in some of the applications. I will surely check those and try to link one of them in the description below. Guys, please do give it a try, and you will surely not regret this. Third product on my list is Plum Night Gel. So this is called Plum Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel. This is again an amazing product, you guys. So this is very light on your skin, so it is again very good for oily to combination skin. It does not feel heavy, so possibility of getting any acne or pimple using this product is very minimal. Apart from that, it also prevents you from getting any acne or pimples. And once you use this product at night before going to sleep, I can guarantee you, you will get a very amazing glow the next morning you get up. So, apart from hydrating the skin, this also nourishes your skin, and it repairs your skin, it tightens your skin, and as I said, it gives you a very nice glow when you get up in the morning. So this is an absolute must have again, and this does not feel heavy. So I don't like heavy products at all because I have an acne prone skin. Once I use any heavy product, I surely get an acne or a pimple. So if you are my kind of skin type, do try this product and you won't regret it. I would say this is again my 15th to 18th bottle. This is like an amazing product, so I keep buying this and I apply this every day at night before going to sleep. So please try this product. So for 50 ml of this product, it is going to cost you 575 rupees, but you mostly get it in discounts. So you will have to pay 520 rupees sometimes for this product in Nykaa, or you can buy this in Amazon also. I think you get this in Myntra also. Wherever you find this on good deal, please buy this product and start using it at night. It is going to do wonders on your skin. So guys, the third product on my list is this Lange Lip Sleeping Mask. So and this is in the flavor berry. So guys, this is my first bottle and recently I discovered this product. So I used to get this chapped lips, and I have switched on many kind of lip balms and I could not get any right product. Nivea was one of the good products, but again, whenever I was applying that product, I was feeling all right on my lips. When I used to remove it, if I apply in the morning and the evening, I used to again get chapped lips. So I was in such a pain for my chapped lips, and then I found this product, guys. This is little heavy on your pocket. This is going to cost you for this 8 gram of product 500 bucks. But guys, if you can spend a little more on your this skincare product, please do buy this product. I can't tell you enough how much it have helped my lips. I don't get chapped lips anymore, guys. It has done some magic on my lips. Your lips will feel so soft and so smooth. I just apply it before going to sleep at night, and in the morning I wipe it off. Sometimes it will give you that extra layer of skin on your lips, which is the dead skin, and you just need to wipe it on with a cotton and you are good to go. So once you apply it at night and remove it in the morning, I swear by that whole day you would not need any lip balm and your lips are still not chapped. It is an absolute love for me, and I'm surely going to buy this again. I will show you how does it look. So it looks somewhat like this, and I think it is going to go more than 3 months for me, because almost it is 15 days and it is only this much of products which is finished. So I can use this more than 3 months, and for 3 months I think 500 bucks I can spend for my lips. So please buy it and you will never regret this product. So guys, the 5th product on my list is this wonderful rose water from Kama. Oh, sorry. So this wonderful rose water from Kama. So guys, this is the pure rose water from Kama Ayurveda, and this is called a face and body mist steam distilled rose water, and this comes in this small plastic packaging, and it have this tube wherein splash on your skin or on your face whenever you want to have it. This is a must-have product. The reason being, like whenever you are washing your face before moisturizing, you can apply a rose water, and rose water actually does wonders to your skin. It is very good for your healthy skin. You can also mix it in your face packs, and you can have a very nice steam bath, putting few drops on your water while taking the steam. And this is going to relax your skin so gently and so nicely. I can't tell you enough. It is like a wonderful product. Like you can just splash it on your face and you will feel the instant freshness. It is very light and it will make your skin actually feel very light. So I am in love with this product. For this 50 ml of bottle, it is going to cost you 300 bucks. First I found this little on the heavier side, but I think it is working for so many people that from within I think a year, from 250 bucks now it is 300 bucks, but people are still buying this product, and this is never on sale. And splash it on your face before applying any moisturizer on your face, and you can just wipe it in a cotton if you want to. Otherwise you can just allow it to sink into your skin and you will feel just the amazing freshness. So please try this out guys, and let me know how do you like it. So guys, the last product I want to talk about is again a recent favorite of mine, which is this Estee Lauder serum. Okay guys, so this is called an Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. This serum is an amazing serum, you guys. If you want that Korean glass skin, then you can start using this serum, and it is going to give you an amazing glow, and it is going to give you that extra nourished, that glass glow skin. It is going to tighten your skin. It is going to give you an amazing feel when you get up in the morning. What you need to do is you can apply this with your moisturizer if you have an oily skin, and if you don't want like heavy serum to sit on your skin and give you that acne or pimple. Though I haven't used it directly, so I can't comment if it does make you feel little heavy, but I always applied this with this night gel, plum night gel, while doing this night care routine. So apply both of them. Just mix 1 drop of this serum and apply it with your moisturizer before going to bed at night. You can actually see the possible difference within a week guys. Like it is going to give you that wonderful glow. You will feel the difference within a week or two. So this is an absolute must have. If you are a bride to be, please start using this product and your skin is going to glow before. 1250 rupees for this. I think this is a 7 ml bottle. I know this is a bit on the higher side, but guys, if you are willing to spend that much amount of money for your skincare, or guys, if you are going to be a bride or a groom, so you can surely go ahead and start applying this serum 3 to 4 months before your big day, and you can clearly see the difference on your skin and the glow it adds to your face. So guys, these were my top 6 skincare
Thank
products.
you so much you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please do comment down below and let me know. And guys, the person's name I'm going to shout out today on my video is Rupak Kumar Parida. So congratulations Rupak. And guys, if you also want me to shout out your name, or you simply like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And for more such content, stay tuned. Bye bye.